Advanced Taxation, one of the optional level exam of ACCA, having very good pass rates if we compare it with other professional level exams of ACCA. There are multiple reasons due to which students opt this examination of Advanced Taxation. Within those reasons, one of the reasons is its good pass rates, that students who aim to pass their ACCA qualification easily go for this examination. Secondly, those students who aim to go for ACCA EW qualification, once they are done with ACCA, Advanced Taxation exam leads to additional exemptions in ACCA EW. On the basis of Advanced Taxation exam only, you get additional 2 exemptions in ACCA EW. Those students who opt for Advanced Taxation and Advanced Audit and Assurance exam in their optional level exams of ACCA get exemption of 12 papers out of 15 papers of ACCA EW. So once you are done with ATX and AAA, it's a very easy route if you want to pursue ACCA EW. Further, those students who want to pursue their career in UK market, or they want to provide any freelance services to UK based entities, the knowledge of Advanced Taxation is very important and relevant for them. Now, if I talk about my teaching approach and my teaching methodology, let me introduce myself. I am Owais Mirchawala, Faculty and Director at Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy, which is an approved learning provider of ACCA. My more than 20 students have secured nationwide positions in Advanced Taxation, and it is due to my quality course package which I provide to my students. My online classes are not just few pre-recorded lectures. Rather, it's a complete course package in which I make sure coverage of all the concepts in my lectures. There is topical past paper practice with every chapter. There are homeworks, assignments on which I give personalized feedback to my students. Then there are past paper revision sessions at the end of the course so that the students get an idea that how they have to deal with a complete exam paper. And then there are 3 mock exams on which I give personalized feedback to my students also. Most importantly, I just don't give lectures, but along with that, I give query support facility to my students. My students can connect with me directly anytime for any query they have in relation to this course. This entire detailed course package enables my students to pass their examination in first attempt, and it also results in so many nationwide positions secured by my students. I've been teaching this course for more than 15 years, and it's a long journey, and I've invested hundreds of hours in developing this best possible course of Advanced Taxation. Along with my detailed course package, our specialized learning management system makes sure that our students pass their examination in first attempt. The course is provided in well-structured manner. There is a proper testing system on our learning management system which replicates the actual exam structure of ACCA. So our students get the idea and the reflection of actual exam paper and the actual exam structure from the very first day they are studying with us. And this specialized learning management system has resulted in so many positions secured by our students. Throughout Mirchawala, we have more than 160 nationwide positions secured by our students in all papers of ACCA. And if I talk about Advanced Taxation specifically, I have more than 20 nationwide positions secured by my students. And I can say it proudly that there is no teacher or no institution in the market with so many positions secured by their students. So if you want to pass your exam in first attempt, you can explore my website, you can look at different content provided on this page of Advanced Taxation. You can watch my demo lectures, you can look at the testimonial videos, you can look at multiple resources provided on this page, and you can also enroll if you are interested to study with me. And if you have any query, feel free to contact me directly on my WhatsApp number, and I hope to see you all in my upcoming batch of Advanced Taxation. I wish you all best of luck for your examinations. Thank you, everyone.